Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you and show you how you can set the Comet AI web browser as your default browser in 2025. So let us dive into this, guys. So launch the Comet AI web browser here, and what you want to do is log into your Perplexity account if you like. However, doing that is optional for this method. So what you want to do, guys, if you'd like to use it as a default web browser is you will see probably, if you're using Comet AI for the first time, that a notification here at the top, set Comet as your default browser, and with that button here to the right. So that's one way how you can do this, guys. If you see this notification, simply click into it, set Comet as a default, confirm that by clicking into this button here. Now, as you can see, it's not in English for me because my operating system's language is Polish, not English, but you will see the same notification in English or in your native or in your interface language. Confirm that, and that's basically it. Another option, guys, would be, as you can see, the notification disappeared. If you, for example, don't see that notification, you may simply head over to your application settings on your operating system, be it Windows 10 or 11. Head over to your default applications, and after that, click into the default web browser, click into it, and simply switch from your current default web browser, which is for me Google Chrome, to Comet. And there you go. Now, every time you open something from your device that needs access to a web browser, it will use automatically Comet and not the previous web browser, guys. So let me switch back to Google Chrome really quickly. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.